Follow the steps on how to use Intertwine in Adobe Illustrator. Here I have prepared an example of a simple object. I will copy it. Selection, Object, Intertwine and make. You just need to click to intertwine, or create an area line like this. And here is the difference. Now we will add Intertwine to the second object. Selection, then go to Object, Intertwine and make. Click, and the result is like this. Can also be applied to text. Create outlines. And finally, I will intertwine rectangles and letters. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.